you with my ex. Every morning I wake up, I'm behind schedule. I need to do a lot, but I'm not started yet. My brain is locked, my inner driving forces come. Too much energy, I'm about to self-destruct. So much pain, too much to think for my brain. I'm about to lose it, my focus, don't compare it. Wish I would just lay back and get it easy, but nobody will give it to me, I gotta take it. The hard or the easy way, I'm ready, getting locked up or messed up. I'm steady, I gotta make it for the sake of my hustlers. Volley curve to the end, forget pretenders. I'm focused, I'm not losing it. No, got nothing but money on my mind, and I'm getting it. You know, I'm focused, I'm not losing it. Got nothing but money on my mind, and I'm getting it. Underground, I've been there for too damn long. Should I go commercial with little and stuck in the middle? I need to make some paper, get richer and get in the picture. They say, on the road to riches, get rid of the bitches. Head clear, no fear, get your focus right. I don't wanna lose, I choose to risk it all. Be firm, stand still, you won't see me strong. Love to get down, but first I gotta make some dough. Money, power, respect, the right tools in the game. Get your focus correct and you will achieve the fame. You don't wanna end up looking whack and washed up. Same. God damn, I messed up. I'm focused, I'm not losing it. No, got nothing but money on my mind, and I'm getting it. You know, I'm